Have you ever wondered what it really means to live a blessed life? Not just a life that looks good on the outside, but one that feels deeply rooted, steady, and truly fulfilled on the inside? Psalm 1 paints a vivid picture right from the start. It's like an invitation to step onto a path that leads somewhere meaningful, somewhere lasting. Blessed is the one who does not walk in step with the wicked, or stand in the way that sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers. It's a call to be intentional about the direction I'm heading and the influences I allow into my life. That's powerful. It's not just about what I do, but who I surround myself with, the rhythms of my everyday life. The psalmist is inviting me to take a closer look at my habits, my conversations, and the voices I let shape my thinking. Let's be real. In a world where everyone's got an opinion, it's easy to get swept up in whatever's trending. Social media, news, and even friends can pull me in 100 different directions if I'm not careful. But the psalmist flips the script. He says the blessed person delights in the law of the Lord and meditates on it day and night. It's not about following rules out of duty, but finding real joy and satisfaction in God's wisdom. It's more than reading a verse or two in the morning. It's about letting God's wisdom soak into the core of who I am, shaping my thoughts, my choices, and even my reactions to life's challenges. Picture this. That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Imagine being so rooted that no matter what comes, you're nourished and able to thrive. That image sticks with me. Roots deep in God's truth, drawing life and strength, no matter what storms come. It's a quiet confidence, a resilience that doesn't depend on circumstances. When I stay close to God, I grow steady and fruitful. Even when life feels dry or uncertain, there's a source that never runs out. My life can bear fruit. Kindness, patience, hope, even in tough seasons. But the psalm doesn't shy away from the other side. It's honest about what happens when I drift from God's wisdom. Not so the wicked. They are like chaff that the wind blows away. There's no stability, no lasting substance, just emptiness that gets scattered by the next big thing. It's a warning, a reminder that chasing after whatever's popular or easy won't last. Only what's rooted in God will stand. The storms of life reveal what's real and what's just surface level. And here's where Jesus steps in and brings it all together. He doesn't just offer advice, he offers himself as the foundation. Jesus didn't just talk about wisdom, he lived it. He invites me to build my life on his words, just like the house built on the rock. When the rain comes and the winds blow, that house stands firm. Remember when he said, "Everyone who hears these words of mine and puts them into practice is like a wise man." It's not just about hearing, but about living out his teachings, letting them shape my daily walk. That's Psalm 1 in action. It's the wisdom of God, lived out in real time, step by step. So as I walk through life, Psalm 1 calls me to pause, to reflect, and to choose where I'm planting my roots. Every day is a new opportunity to decide what I'm drawing strength from. Am I letting Jesus' teachings shape me? Am I open to being changed, even when it's uncomfortable or countercultural? Am I seeking wisdom that lasts, or settling for quick fixes? The choice is mine, every single day. Today I want to draw near to God, meditate on his word, and let the teachings of Jesus anchor me. I want to be intentional about what I let shape my heart and mind. That's where true blessing begins, a life nourished, steady, and full of purpose. It's a journey, not a destination, and every step matters. What about you? Where are you planting your roots today? What kind of life do you want to grow?